And we're back, guys. In this quick little short, I'm gonna go over how I'm going to, well actually, let me show you guys something real quick. Some of you guys are from all over the place on my social media, so I'll just kind of catch you guys up with what we're dealing with here. Quite literally, at the end of my driveway, man. We got legitimately 25 inches of snow. Like, this is after the plow went by the second or third time. So, like, these snowbanks on my driveway are literally over my handlebars. So, yeah, it's insane. Absolutely insane. So, yeah, it kind of bought me some time. Good old Mother Nature. It's funny because everyone else is pissed. For me, my shit's never done early, so it's giving me a little extra time that I'm not all pissy because my shit isn't done. But I'll show you guys quick what we're gonna show in this, what I'm gonna do in this short. I'm gonna punch some reference holes here. I'm gonna cut strips under all 4 outriggers on both sides, and then we're gonna make those detachable. So I'm gonna cut here and here on all 4 of them. That one, that one, that one. And then we'll clean them up, pull them out of the car, clean them up, and then we'll tack them right back in where they are. And that way this will allow us, when we get the whole cage fit up, we'll be able to drop the cage down by cutting these tacks on all 4 of them, and then I'll weld the whole entire the top. So yeah, let's get to the time lapse. There it is, guys. Kind of see, it'll be pretty easy to patch that. I'm gonna take the saws off and send it through right on this weld. They missed a little spot right there, as you can tell. Alright guys, things pretty much ready for tacks. I'm gonna go through and do all 4. I just got a little bit more to clean up on each one, and then I'll throw, you know, probably just 2 good tacks on top where they're easier to cut with a cutting wheel. And then our main hoop is gonna go right there. So got them all cleaned up, and yeah, I mean, that side will be the exact same. The front are gonna be very similar. It might even be easier to cut these just because they're not against this big brace in between the front and the back seats. So yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll be back with more. We're gonna start putting tube in this thing.